What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to talk about how you can make money on eBay by only selling books. So I mostly started on Amazon selling books and toys and everything like that. Pretty much every item that would make me profit I was selling on Amazon. But recently I've noticed how much money you can make on eBay by selling books. And I've been selling quite a few books on eBay, and I just wanted to kind of tell you guys like how I've been doing it. It's pretty simple. So I got a lot of books from book sales, and then I just started selling my returns from Amazon. Started selling those books on eBay. And I was actually selling them. If a book took too long to sell on Amazon, I was listing it on eBay, and it was selling pretty quickly, like in a few weeks, whereas it had been at Amazon for like a year. But one of the things I've been doing on eBay is selling sets of books. So this isn't something that you can really do on Amazon, but on eBay it's really amazing. Make a lot of money selling sets of books on eBay. So my Goodwill around me, they have half price Saturdays. The first Saturday of the month, everything in the store is half price, and that includes books. Whereas normally the books are like 99 cents for paperback and like $2.49 for hardback. They'd be half of that. So, and then the kids' books, which I sell a lot of, some of those are 69 cents normally, so they'd be 35 cents a piece, which is a really good price when you're selling sets of books. So I'm just looking at, when I go to Goodwill, I'm looking at what they have a lot of. So if they have a lot of a certain, like a series or something like that, then I'm going to look it up. So when I was going to these Goodwills, I was looking for some that sell really well, or Harry Potter, those sets. So you can probably get like 40 or 50 for a set of Harry Potter books. That's without the last book. Probably get more with every book that came out. So I sell a lot of Babysitter's Club. You can probably get maybe $1 or $2 a piece on those if you sell it as a set. Like Sweet Valley High. And then if you find a lot by a certain author, you can sell those. So if you find quite a few Stephen King books, you can sell those as a lot, and they'll do pretty well. I don't normally go after those because they're 50 cents a piece, and that's probably what they're going to be. Maybe $1 on eBay if you sold them as a set. We don't really want that. But yeah, I've just been selling sets. What you got to look at though, you gotta sell like kind of like pop culture stuff. So I've been doing really well selling like anime type books, like the manga stuff. I have a lot of that stuff, and I bought quite a few to sell on Amazon, and they ended up doing as well as I thought. So I listed them on eBay, and they sold pretty quickly that way. So I just look for like what's popular in culture, and kind of see because if people are searching for it on eBay, then it's probably going to sell. So if people are searching for it on Amazon, you've got like 100 people selling on that listing, so odds are it's not going to be one of your items that sells. They're going to go for the lowest price one, and sometimes you don't want to be the lowest price one if you're not making money at that price. So that's really it. That's really how to make money selling books on eBay. Something that you could do is scan stuff for Amazon, and then you can use an app like Scoutify or whatever it's called. I'm not too familiar with apps anymore, but like Scoutly, Scoutify, and all those, some of them have an option where you scan something and then there's an eBay button, and you click that one and it'll automatically search it on eBay based on like the UPC, or mainly it does UPC. Sometimes it'll do the book number, but that's a way that you can easily look something up on eBay without having to type stuff in, especially with books. It might be difficult to look up by edition, and so you have to type in the whole title, and then you have to type in what edition number it is and all that stuff. But when you search it like that, it's pretty easy because it'll look up the book number at exactly. So that's going to be it.